In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out of Messenger on both Android and iOS devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Messenger app, then tap right here at that icon, tap at gear to head over to settings. And on settings, scroll down to the very bottom until you find Meta Account Center. We need to head over to the Account Center where we can easily find password and security. That's where you need to tap at where you are logged in and then select your Facebook account. On the next step, it will show you all the logins on all the devices for the particular Facebook and Messenger account. Here at the top, we got my current device, and also down below we can find logins on other devices. To log out of Messenger, we need to tap right here where it says select devices to log out. Then we can select some particular devices, or we can select all and then tap at logout and then log out again. And what that will do, that will log you out of all your devices, including the current one, and then you will be able to log in back using the same account or another one. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.